Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use homemade chicken stock. First, ensure your stock is properly cooled before use or storage. You can use it immediately in a recipe or prepare it for later. This foundational liquid elevates the taste of countless meals, making your cooking more delicious and satisfying. It's a simple step that yields significant culinary rewards. Homemade chicken stock is perfect for creating comforting soups and robust stews. Simply substitute water with your stock when simmering ingredients like vegetables, meats, and legumes. This instantly deepens the flavor profile, making your dish taste like it simmered for hours. It's an easy way to add a gourmet touch to everyday meals, providing a rich, savory foundation that store-bought options often lack. Beyond soups, chicken stock shines in sauces and grains. Use it to deglaze a pan after searing meat, capturing all those delicious brown bits for a rich sauce. You can also cook grains like rice, couscous, or quinoa in stock instead of water, infusing them with savory flavor. For an intense flavor boost, reduce the stock by half or more to create a concentrated glaze. Proper storage ensures you always have stock on hand. Once cooled, store your homemade chicken stock in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in convenient 1-cup or 2-cup portions. This makes it easy to grab just what you need for future recipes. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.